This is a Gamewell-FCI E3 system. In addition to receiving alarms on a fire alarm, the system can also indicate a system trouble or a supervisory. They are different conditions, and it's important to be able to identify that if calling for service. A supervisory condition means something is off normal with the system. For instance, this is a sprinkler tamper on a main valve. Press trouble acknowledge to silence the screen here. It's showing what the device is and what the address number of that device. In this case, we'll assume that your sprinkler contractor is working on the system, and when they're done, they'll open the valve and the system will restore to normal. A trouble condition is something that typically needs service. Something is not communicating properly. For instance, if a detector gets removed, it's going to show as missing because it's no longer communicating. This tells us where it is, the mechanical room. It's a thermal detector, and there's its address. Something else that can happen, a wire could get broken somewhere on the system and cause a input point to go into fault. There's a fault on that sprinkler tamper. Perhaps a wire came off while they were servicing it. You can acknowledge the trouble. Troubles on a system need to be repaired. You cannot reset those. Resetting will not clear them. So when the problem is resolved, for instance fixing the wire on the sprinkler tamper and reinstalling that thermal detector, your system will return to normal.